So what is the way for changing for image background for online? Suppose you're selecting one image, you have to change the complete for image background, or you can change it for image background option. First of all, I'm selecting for something is called software trainer. Just I'm selecting for images. You can select any kind of image will be here. Now I'm changing for this image background first. First remove this background option. You can use option name is called remove.bg option. So first of all, save this image in a particular documentation. Go to this background. This is one. You can just download it. This is totally. You can save for PNG format. Just this is a real pic. So I'm changing for background using for Canva option. Here we're not using any kind of Photoshop, any kind of Corel option. Using for simple one, remove.bg, remove the background, add the any background here. I can go for beach. Just I'm showing for just sample one. Don't thinking about that is option here. Here, just any one size you can select it. I'm adding for 2 images. Give me the seconds. So where the image here, image. Next image you can select for the download option. First add the background. Next you can go to setup here. Guys, just I'm showing for sample one. Anything you can selecting for remove the background and change your background using for Canva option. Does not require any kind of Photoshop or Corel are not required. Just you can using for remove the background using for Canva option, add the your own background option. So this is just I'm doing for sample one. Is the own pic will be like this. I'll show the previous pic. This is the own pic. They're showing for notice board. Now they're showing for something help in the sky. They explain something here, the particular peoples. So this we can changing for some background, the particular images. So this is where first remove the background will be remove.bg option. After change your background will be using Canva option. How much size you require, you can select the size also will be there. So the size you can select and increase the your particular option. So this is called, you can change your image background for the particular using for Canva and remove.bg option. There is no required Photoshop and Corel Draw to remove the background, add the new background option.